Have you ever wondered if you could get the best of both worlds on one phone? Samsung just launched Android for iPhones, or did they? Let's have a look at what this really is. What's up guys, Om here from Everything and welcome to this new video. Samsung has just launched an Android emulator for iPhones. You need an iPhone 7 or newer to try this out. To use this, you have to go to iTest.nz on Safari. It's .nz because this is being advertised by Samsung in New Zealand, but you can still access it regardless of where you live. With that out of the way, let's move on. Click the share sheet icon on the website and then add the website to the home screen. Open the bookmark from the home screen and click next a couple of times and you'll be into Android. Now this isn't actually Android, this is just Android UI, one UI to be precise, which you are pretty much accessing using the website. Now it is a pretty good marketing strategy in my opinion, but the way they have implemented it isn't the best. The bugs start when you go to the menu on the left where you get the news and the Google suggestions. The UI is completely bugged and you cannot scroll properly and it is very annoying. This might as well make the user think that Android isn't a better experience as compared to iOS, which is what Samsung is trying to convey here. When you click on most of the app icons, they will give you a dialog box saying that you will have to buy an actual phone to try these out or something around those lines. I mean, I get it, but I really wish they allowed us to see how folders on Android work. And when you type, it gives you the Apple keyboard. I think a Samsung keyboard would have been much better. And the funny thing is, they have given you an app for switching to Android and it has an option to make the switch, but the option just doesn't work. And if you click the Google widget or any website, it will just open a Google search for Samsung Galaxy S21 using Safari. This Android UI also lets you change themes and send messages to bots. These bots have superhuman powers. Quite literally, have a look at this. Within less than a minute, this bot managed to go from hopping onto a helicopter to being at some epic beach to then driving to an amazing location. The UI also has quite a lot of other bugs, which is pretty much a real representation of Android. Just kidding. Also, you get a call from Sam and it tells you about how it may be time to switch if you like the experience of iTest.
Hey, it's Sam. We just wanted to give you a quick call to say thanks for checking out the experience. Many iPhone users think Android will be too different to what they're used to, but hopefully you found it intuitive and fun to use. And who knows, maybe we'll see you on the other side.
Samsung, you could have definitely done better. And also, if you guys didn't already know this, I actually like Samsung and it is the only Android phone manufacturer that I would recommend to anyone. Just wanted to get this out there so that it doesn't seem like this video is all about me hating on Samsung. To be honest, I really don't think anyone is switching to Android just on the basis of using this website, because tech enthusiasts know that this is not the real experience. And an average user will think that this is how Android actually is, which by the way clearly isn't, and wouldn't make the switch because he would see that the software is quite buggy. Although this is just an emulation, this makes me wonder if someone could really get Android to work this way. We could have the best of both worlds and play around with the software which is exclusive to Android. And this is definitely not impossible, because there are websites which let you do this on desktop, but they aren't as good yet and they're quite laggy at the moment. Let's see if we get something similar in the future. Let's see how long they keep this website up and running. It is still kind of fun, although it has quite a lot of bugs. Let me know if you use this app and what you think about it. Thank you for watching.